Hey friend, welcome to Gentle English, a quiet place to help you listen, relax, and slowly understand real English. If fast conversations feel hard to follow, you're not alone. Here, we take it step by step. No pressure, no rush. Just clear, simple English you can actually feel. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Let's get started. Today, we're going for a walk. Not in nature, but through the city. It's a calm walk. No crowds. No stress. Just you and the rhythm of the streets. We'll move slowly, noticing what we see, what we hear, and how it feels to simply walk. Let's begin. Stepping outside. I open the door and the air feels just right. Not too hot, not too cold. It's the kind of air that makes you smile without thinking. The sun shines brightly. The sky is a clear, gentle blue, with a few small clouds drifting slowly above the rooftops. Soft and white like cotton. A light breeze brushes against my face. Cool and calm. It moves through the trees, making the leaves whisper gently. Can you feel a breeze where you are? Imagine it on your face. Birds sing from somewhere nearby, their songs blending with the soft sounds of the city. A street vendor calls out, offering fresh fruit in 2 languages, their voice warm and welcoming. It's the weekend, so the streets feel slower, more relaxed. People are out, but no one seems in a rush. It's the perfect day for a walk. And I begin. The city sounds greet me as a car drives past, its tires humming on the road. A bus pulls up at the corner, its doors opening with a soft hiss. A few people step on, and someone waves to the driver. I start walking, my shoes tapping gently on the sidewalk. Left, right, left, in a quiet rhythm. I pass a bakery, where the smell of fresh bread drifts out. Warm, buttery, and comforting, mixed with the faint spice of something unfamiliar. A woman walks by with a small dog, its paws pattering on the pavement. She smiles, and I smile back. A cyclist rings their bell behind me, so I step to the side and they pass with a nod. The morning feels alive but not loud, busy but soft. Watching the city move. I walk past a cafe where people sit at small round tables, some talking quietly in different languages, others reading books or sipping coffee slowly. One man types on his laptop, his fingers moving fast. A woman nearby laughs softly, sharing a story with her friend. What do you see at a cafe in your city? Picture it for a moment. A bell rings as someone opens the cafe door. A soft, happy sound, followed by the clink of cups on saucers. The smell of fresh coffee floats out, warm and rich, mixing with the scent of flowers from a cart nearby. A young man at the cart arranges bright flowers. Red roses, yellow tulips, and purple lilies, calling out their names in a cheerful voice. A woman stops to buy a small bouquet, smiling as she holds the flowers close. Farther down the street, a construction worker lifts metal pipes which clink together, sharp but not loud. He waves to a coworker across the road, who nods back while holding a bright orange safety vest. Across the street, a child holds their mother's hand, walking slowly and pointing at a shop window, with signs in bright, colorful scripts. The child giggles, excited by a toy spinning in the display, its colors flashing in the sunlight. A delivery truck stops nearby, and the driver hops out, handing a box to a shop owner with a friendly, "Here you go." The shop owner, an older man with a kind face, thanks him in a language you don't know, and they both laugh. A street musician strums a guitar on the corner, playing a soft, happy tune. A small crowd gathers, clapping gently to the rhythm. Some drop coins into an open guitar case, where they clink against each other. Above me, a bird lands on a street light, chirps once, then sits still, watching the city below. You pause for a moment, taking it all in. The voices, the colors, the movement. What sound do you hear in a busy city? Imagine one now. The city feels alive but not rushed, moving gently around you as you continue your walk. Small moments. I stop at a crosswalk, waiting as the signal beeps and cars roll past, their engines humming softly. When the light turns green, I cross the wide street slowly, in no hurry. I notice a bookstore, its window displaying old books stacked neatly, one with a faded flower on the cover, another with golden letters in a curling script I don't recognize. Next to it, a little cat sleeps in the sun, its tail twitching and ears flicking gently. People walk past, but no one disturbs it. Across the street, a man plays a violin, the music soft and slow, weaving a melody that feels like it's from another country. Do you hear music where you walk? What kind does it sound like? A few coins clink in his case as some people stop to listen, while others keep walking. I pause for a moment and smile, feeling the walk. I keep walking, not to go anywhere, just to be here, feeling the rhythm of the city in my steps and the sounds around me. A gust of wind blows my scarf, so I hold it close. A leaf rolls across the sidewalk, and a child runs to catch it, laughing with light, free joy. The street curves gently, and I follow it, passing a small market stall where spices and flowers fill the air with new scents. A soft song plays from a nearby shop, a melody I don't know but like, sung in a language that feels both strange and familiar. The city feels full but not heavy, busy yet still calm. It feels like everything is going to be okay. Final thoughts. This was just a walk, but we saw and heard so much. Different voices, signs, and songs all mixed together. Real English flows in real moments like these, alongside other languages and lives. You don't need to understand every word. Just feel the flow, the rhythm, the mood. What did you notice on our walk today? Maybe a sound, a smell, or a feeling. That's how listening grows. Step by step, like a quiet walk. You don't need to memorize or push. Just listen, breathe, and notice. The words will come, the sounds will feel familiar, and the rhythm will stay with you. Thanks for spending this quiet time with me. Remember, every small step you take makes a difference. Keep listening. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or come back anytime for more gentle English. Until next time, take care of your ears and take care of yourself.